What's up everyone, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to talk about how to fix if Steam is not opening on your PC or you're trying to launch it, it's not getting opened up, and how you can completely fix it. So let me directly get into this step one by one. So the first and foremost step, what you have to do is we just need to go over here in the task manager, over here in the start, right click over here and directly navigate to the task manager. And right now, as you can see, if you go over here at the top, you can see if Steam is running over here. If you find anything of Steam or anything related to Steam is running, you need to close it, or you can just go over here and you can search for Steam. And if the Steam is running over here, as you can see, it is running. So right click over here, go and for end the task, go over here for everyone, and you have to go for everyone and you have to remove it. So make sure that no Steam or anything related to Steam is running over here in the task manager, and once afterwards you have to check with the Steam. So most probably that's not going to fix the issue up, so we have to try a few more steps. That is all about. We just need to go over here in the Steam, right click, and we have to go to show more options and navigate to the properties, go to the compatibility. Make sure you have to click on run this program as an administrator, and also click on register the So run the program as an administrator, and also click on disable full screen optimization. So both these things are very important, and you have to click on this one and you have to check, go for apply and go for OK. Next step is all about what we need to do is we just need to allow the Steam to the Windows security. So just go over here in the search and go for the control panel, and you have to click on this one. And this time you have to click on system and security and Windows Defender Firewall over here, and go to the allow an app feature through Windows Defender Firewall. Keep scrolling down and you have to navigate to the Steam. So if you don't find the Steam here, we can add it by default. So if the Steam is added, just make sure that you have put a check on both the boxes, private and public. So if the Steam is not here, we can add it by default. So if you don't find the Steam, just click on the change setting, go to allow another app from here. So what I'm gonna do is just remove the Steam from here. So right now let me remove the Steam. So Steam is not here, so we need to add it. So just click on the allow another app, go for the browse, and right now we need to go to the Steam, go to the C, and go to the program files, and you have to check whether you are able to find the Steam or not. So if you don't find the Steam in the program files, try using the program file x86. So scroll down and you can find the Steam. Now from here you have to scroll, and this is the Steam which you have to select it, go for open, and you need to add it. So right now the Steam is added, but you have to make sure one thing, that you have to put a check on both the boxes, private and public. So once it is done, we just need to close this up and we have to go back and try launching the game. So next one is all about, we just need to go over here in the search, type for run, and either have to click on the run, or you can do is you can press Windows and R key all together on the keyboard. So you'll be getting a run box like this, and you have to type percentage local app data percentage and go for OK. So you'll be getting this particular folder, and if you find the Steam, if you scroll down, you can see the Steam is, you right click on the Steam and go for the trash icon and remove it. So make sure the Steam is removed and you have to try launch the game. So most probably, these are some of the steps which is not going to fix the issue up. Still, if you don't have it not fixed up, you don't have to worry. All you have to do is press Windows and R key all together, and right now instead of right, and this time we have to type Steam, you have to type semicolon, over here you have to type semicolon like this, and you have to use // you have to use this slash over here like this, and you have to type flash config. That's what you have to type. Just make sure this one is done and go for OK. And once afterwards they're gonna ask you this, go for yes. So most probably when you do this, the Steam will be up to date and Steam will be opening. So even for some users it is not running and you might be having the error. If that is the case, just go over here and you have to search for add or remove programs, and you have to click on this one. And right now, as you can see, if that is not the case, you have to go over here in the apps. So make sure install it apps, and over here you have to search for the Steam once again. And if you find the Steam, just click on this one and you have to uninstall it. When it is uninstalled, you have to sign in back, and most probably that's going to help you guys out. So after this particular command over here, they might be asking you for re-sign back to your Steam account, and once afterwards it will be fixed up. So these are the steps, and I hope this quick video is helpful. See you soon in the next video. Bye.